All right, 2011 Sienna AC is not working. This is an option you can use on this.
Menu, module selection. We're going to the air conditioner. And you're going to get this code. You got to have a decent one to pull that code. It's not going to pull up on a regular OBD2 most of the time. Flow sensor circuit 1479 B1479. So what's your problem? Let's see if I can get under the hood here. This on your let's see if I can get where you can see. There we go. Let me run my hand all up in the way here. This, you see that sensor? It's got that little clip right there. You're going to need a pair of snap ring pliers to get that sensor off. But this is the first step that I would do after having had experience with this to see if that fixes it. That is the flow sensor on your AC compressor. Most of the time, Toyota's just going to tell you to replace the AC compressor, fix the issue. The problem on the 2011s is that they used to not offer that sensor separately. Dorman makes that sensor. Let's take a look at it, and then I'm going to show you that why I'm skeptical that this is going to work for mine, because a lot of people have tried this. They've replaced the AC compressor, and it did not fix the problem. Guess what? We replaced the AC compressor, and it did not fix the problem. But before I go and dive into the next step, this is that Dorman, what's that number? 926818. It's a flow sensor. So it's literally, you do not have to evacuate your system. You take that snap ring off and you put this new one on and you clip it back in. I'm not going to be able to video showing you that. I showed you where the sensor was. You need snap ring pliers. Boop, pull the snap ring out, unhook the sensor, put this sensor in, and then we're going to test it. So I'm going to swap these real quick, and then I'm going to test it, and then I'm going to tell you what the next step is if that actually does not fix mine or if it doesn't fix yours. Go ahead and tell you what I should have done. Pulled this in the shade. Dumb self doing this in the middle of August in Alabama. That was bad. Anyway, yeah, that was a booger. It's I mean, this is what your little sensor looks like, and it goes, this side is face up. So unplug it. That little C-clip is what holds it, or the snap ring is what holds it in. But getting that snap ring back in, look at this. One, I don't know if you can see all that junk, but all the red marks. Anyway, let's see what this thing does. Right, I erased the DTCs, I put the new sensor on, and I've got AC on. No air conditioner codes present, it says. Let's see what happens, because I know I've got the right amount of pressure. It sounds like. Unfortunately, that is it's max AC. Looking like a no. I was wrong. That fixed it. Yeah. Yes, I'm excited. My gracious, a switch. It worked though. So if that had not worked, I got cold AC. You can see I've got the doors shut. It's like 100 outside. It worked. It's cold. I'm happy that that fixed it. But if it doesn't, a lot of people have done this and it still did not fix it. And so they had to test and see that the sensor wasn't getting the right amount of voltage from the AC computer, which is under the dash. A lot of forums explained how to do this. Basically, you have to build an amplifier. I know if you're not up to that, I understand. But build an amplifier from the AC computer to send the right amount of signal to the AC flow sensor to let it know to kick on, because it's got to have, there's a certain parameters that if it doesn't have the right voltage, it's not going to kick on. And Anyway, some very ingenuitive people were able to build an amplifier and walk you through how to do that. Fortunately, I don't have to do that. This thing's cooling again. When Tiff gets the clear to drive again, she's got cold AC to drive now. Woo! I'm so happy with that. Anyway, let's do some install videos. I'll see you guys soon. Till next time.